Welcome back, students. Currently we are understanding usage of prepositions, and in this we have understood the common and uncommon uses of many prepositions. Today, in this ongoing series, we are going to understand the uses of two other important prepositions, which are along and across. These prepositions are also used as adverbs. So we must keep in mind that apart from working as prepositions, these also work as adverbs in some situations. So let's understand. Firstly, we will begin with the preposition along. The preposition along gives the idea from one end to or towards the other end. It also gives us the idea that that there is something present on or beside something long. In the same way, there is this other preposition across. Across gives the idea of location of something on the other side. It gives the idea from one side to the other side also. So let's understand the uses of the prepositions across and along. Uses of the prepositions across, along and across. As I told you, both are used as adverbs also. Apart from being used as prepositions, they are used as adverbs also. So, along, it indicates from one end to or towards the other end. For example, the snail moved along the edge of the road. The snail moved along the edge of the road means from one end to the other end. Okay. See another example. Move along this road and then turn to the left at the next crossing. This was one use, and see the another use. Another use, it shows that something is present on or beside something long. So on or beside something long. Beside something long. For example, wild flowers grew along both sides of the river. Wild flowers grew along both sides of the river. Now we will understand the usage of across. As I told you, it gives us the idea from one side to the other. So let's understand. From one side to the other. For example, he jumped into the river and swam across to the other bank. He jumped into the river and swam across the other bank. Across, it means from one side to the other. From one side to the other. For example, he jumped into the river and swam across to the other bank. To the other bank. The child ran across the road unmindful of the heavy traffic. The child ran across the road unmindful of the heavy traffic. Heavy traffic. Another use of across is that it gives us the idea of location. For example, gives us the idea of location means something is on the other side. Okay. So let's see. On the other side. What is the meaning? On the other side. Ram's house is just across the road. Ram's house is just across the railway station. Ram's house is just across the field. Just across the field, just across the playing ground, okay, just across the Mela ground. Ram's, or we can say, see another example, the bank is just across the road. The bank is just across the road. Just across the road. So here you will see that it gives the idea of location also. So I hope you have understood the usage of these prepositions, both like prepositions and adverbs too. So with this we will end this class today, and thank you for watching. If you are not a subscriber, then subscribe the channel. Keep watching. Thank you.